Cleaning them off when you're done, so it doesn't.
Here we go.
Hassle on top of a hassle. Try Swiffer WetJet. With Swiffer WetJet, you start with a fresh padding cleaning solution at night time, and when you're done, you just Swiffer WetJet.
There it goes. Look at the blue sun. Clean it all up. Dad's gonna put this one on YouTube for you. Then you can watch your own video. Yeah. Look at it go. There it goes. Whee! Car wash, baby. Here we go. One more time through this. There it goes. What is that? Clean it up good. There we go. Yeah, baby.